So guys, I believe by now you have seen a lot of videos talking about TikTok art.
I know, it sounds crazy.
Videos just like this, and like this. Different videos talking about how to create your TikTok art in Nigeria and how you can set up your TikTok account, all those stuff like that. In this video today, I want to show you how you can use this TikTok art to make up to 10,000 naira every single day just with your smartphone, guys.
Wow, tell me some more.
And not just that, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your TikTok ad, how to set up your payment methods that you can use to pay it, and how you can also earn money with this particular TikTok ad, guys.
Something big is about to go down.
Well, just pay attention. Let me show you how this platform works. If you like make money online videos, that's what I do here. So do well to like this video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. One more thing, please just comment happy new month in the comment section below.
Thank you very much.
Setting up a TikTok ad is very important because with your TikTok ad, you can use it to get more followers on TikTok. As a new creator that have a lot of things to share with people, you can use it to get more views. As a creator that already has a channel that is struggling to grow, or you can use them to get more sales and more leads and make more money for yourself. So this is my TikTok personal account, and this is one of my TikTok accounts right here. You can see I have like 11k followers right here. Some of the videos are performing well, but I want to create an ad for another account. Let's see. The first thing you have to do, as I said earlier, create a TikTok account for yourself. And the second thing you have to do, you have to post videos in that account. Even if you create an ad and the person watch your video, the person can see other videos to watch. The next thing you have to do is for you to select the video you want to use to create this ad. I'm going to come down to my TikTok page right here, and I'm going to click on friends. This is one of my accounts. This one have 72,000 followers right here. I just posted this video right here, and I'm going to come here and click on this share button. I'm not saying you should promote people's videos, but I'm showing you how to do it and see promote right here. Now this is if I want to promote somebody else content or content on another page or another account. If I click on promote right here, they're going to bring me to this page right here. Either you want more video views or more followers, you want more profile views, and those are three different things. The next thing right here, they say custom promotion. Now I'm going to show you two kinds of promotion, and there are some things you need to note, so just pay attention. See, they say custom promotion 3,000 from 100 views to 6,000 views right here. That is a default TikTok choosing, so they choose everything for me. If you want to customize it, click on custom, and from here you can select the kind of people you want them to promote your content to, either male, female, or all. The kind of age right here, you can see the age range or all people interest, what the people are interested in. Select it right here, and that is it. But if you want automatic, so you could just come here and click on default. Now the next part is the payment right here. So come down here and can see this ad will cost me 1,400 naira, and I need 89 goal right here for me to run this ad. Let me come down here and let me say I want to use 2,000 naira. So that's 2,000 naira, and I'm going to need 119 goal right here, and this ad will run for a day. If you want to manage the setting, you can just put 1,000 naira for a day, okay, and come down here and put 2 days. Just drag this thing and set it to 2 days right here. I'm going to click on recharge right now. So once I click on recharge, 139 goal right here is 3,600, which is high. I want to run the ad for 2,000 naira, but I'm buying gold for 3,600, and I'm going to have some gold left, but they are going to charge me like 700 to 800 naira. I don't know why, but that's how they charge. So after that, let me just click on buy. Payment successful. Now it's very easy for me because I've set up my payment method, and I'm going to show you how you can set up your own payment method on this platform. And see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start right here for me to run my ad. So once I click on start, they're going to review the ad after few minutes or after a few hours, my ad has been submitted and it's under review. For you to run ad the second way and get more result out of your ad, what you need to do, come down to your home screen, click on TikTok Studio, scroll down right here, and you can see more tools right here. Come down here and click on promotion. Now this is where it gets interesting. You have a lot of options to do a lot of stuff. Now these are options that are not available in the other part. Now for example right here, this get sales is totally different. You're going to see boost live. Now if you want to boost your life, if you want to go live on TikTok and you boost it, you get more people. And you're also going to see get lead. Click on get sales right here. You're going to see your landing page. So you have to put a landing page so that once they click on the link, they're going to take them to the landing page, and they can buy a product from you. And this get lead, you can get more WhatsApp messages, more phone calls, and the rest. So you can choose the one you like. Now you're going to see dashboard. You're going to see the ads that I've run so far. You're going to see everything right here. Right now on this particular one, I'm still going to come here and click on get sales. Okay, so that is the landing page right there, and you can see, let me create an ad. Let me choose the video I want to use to create the ad. So this part, you're going to fix all these ones before you select the video. So let me select the video I want to use to create the ad. So guys, you can see right here, let me select this one. Okay, I'm going to click on promote. Now you're going to see get more sales right here, and you're going to see I can get up to 163 people to 742 people right here. I just need to pay this amount, and I don't really need this. This is much, so I need something below this. Let me just go for you can see the minimum here is 17, and let's see how many gold I'm going to need for that. So 1700 will give me 82 gold right here. That's what I need to pay them. And I need sales. You can see the link. You can come here and edit the link you want to use, the landing page. You can come down here and edit, and you can put a call to action button and see learn more. You can see shop now. You can see sign up. So let me put sign up right here. It's actually under review. So and see that it's under review right here. I just created two ads with two different methods right here. So that is it, and they are both under review. It's for me to show you how you can set up your payment method. Come down to your Google Play Store account, click on your icon, the icon at the top right corner. Come down here and you're going to see payment and subscription. You can see now you're going to see payment method. Click on that. Now come down here and click on add credit or debit card. Once you click on that, from here you're going to add your credit card or your debit card that you want to use for any payment on any app. So many of you have been telling me that you don't know how to refer anybody. I don't know how to refer anybody. So you can use TikTok ad right here to get more referrals on any platform. You can see some of my payments right here from freebies, just because I create ad about this platform on TikTok. Is very, very simple. So you can use this method and earn up to 10,000 every single day, or even more than 10,000 every single day. It's very, very simple. And also you can use TikTok for your drop shipping. The thing is that it's not really expensive. With 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, you can use it to create a TikTok ad for yourself, and you can use it to make money for yourself. Tell me what you want to know about TikTok ad in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. And there's another video that's going to play right here. Click it and watch it. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day, and bye for now.